Ever found yourself wondering if you can truly get a grip on your finances without linking your bank account to yet another app? It's a fair question in today's world of interconnected services and data sharing. You're probably looking for a way to track your spending, maybe set some budgets, and generally feel more in control of your money, but the idea of granting access to your primary financial hub might give you pause. You're not alone. Many people are cautious, and rightfully so, about the level of access they grant to financial applications. So, let's dive straight into it. Can you actually use Pocketguard without connecting a bank account? The short answer, unfortunately, is no. Pocketguard, at its core, is designed to be a powerful budgeting and personal finance tool that works by analyzing your income, expenses, and spending habits. To do this effectively and automatically, it needs access to your transaction data, which primarily resides within your bank and credit card accounts. Think of it like trying to navigate a new city without a map or GPS. You might have a general idea of where you want to go, but without the detailed routes and real-time updates, it becomes significantly more challenging and time-consuming to get there efficiently. Similarly, Pocketguard relies on the constant flow of information from your financial institutions to provide you with an accurate and up-to-date snapshot of your financial health. Now, you might be thinking, are there any workarounds? While Pocketguard doesn't offer a direct way to manually input every single transaction and balance, which would be incredibly tedious and defeat the purpose of automation, there are alternative approaches you could consider, though they wouldn't fully utilize Pocketguard's intended functionality. For instance, you could theoretically use Pocketguard to manually set budgets based on your own tracking outside the app. However, the app wouldn't be able to automatically categorize your spending, alert you to overspending in real time, or provide the insightful "in my pocket" calculation that makes it so useful. You'd essentially be using a portion of the app's features while missing out on its key strengths. The primary value proposition of Pocketguard lies in its ability to aggregate your financial data securely, categorize transactions automatically, and provide you with clear insights into where your money is going. This automation saves you time and effort, allowing you to focus on making informed financial decisions rather than spending hours manually tracking every purchase. Pocketguard employs robust security measures to protect your financial data, utilizing encryption and secure connections. They understand the sensitivity of the information you entrust to them and prioritize its safety. However, it's always wise to do your own due diligence and review their security protocols and privacy policy to ensure you feel comfortable. Ultimately, while the desire to manage finances without linking accounts is understandable, Pocketguard's core functionality is deeply intertwined with its ability to access and analyze your financial transactions directly from your bank and credit card providers. Without this connection, you'd be missing out on the very features that make it a powerful and efficient budgeting tool. So, while the answer isn't what you might have hoped for if you were looking for a bank account-free experience, understanding why Pocketguard requires this access sheds light on its design and capabilities. It's built to provide an automated, comprehensive view of your finances, and that requires a direct connection to your financial institutions. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.